Hello friends, welcome back to my training channel. Today I'm going to share you with how to make a online Excel scanner. First we need to open Excel. Here I'm using 2013 version and Power Query. We should install Power Query in 2013 version. And latest version already have Power Query. If you are having 2013 version, first you install Power Query. Okay, you just go to Google and search Power Query for Excel 2013 and just download and install. That's it. And reopen the Excel again. Then we need to paste the data, go to the live equity stocks. So here we got only Nifty 50 stocks and we want all FNO stocks. Then right click inspect and source. Just click source and network. Here network. Just click network and control R. Okay. Then here change it to FNO stocks. Once you scroll down, you can see F4 stocks. Just click. And here you can see a search box. Just click type .json. Then you can see F4 stock watch. Then right click, copy that link address. Okay. Then paste to our Excel. Power Query, click Power Query from web. Just click from web. Here just paste it. Then OK. And please wait. It will fetching the data from NSE India. Okay. Once it comes, you just click. You can see data list. Just click it. Then to table. Just click that option. Here don't do anything. Just click OK. Here you just expand this one by clicking here and untick this one. Just untick this one and click off. See, all data is coming. And we want open equal to high on open equal to low. Delete other. Okay, I'm going to delete unwanted items from here. Okay, now you want open high low. Just select here. Okay, then close and dot. Okay, it's dotted here. Then apply our condition. Is equal to if open is equal to high, then open is equal to high, comma if bracket open is equal to low, then open is equal to low, comma. Okay, now scanner is ready. See, so next next and condition formatting, new rule, specific type, open is equal to low, auto format, fill, select green, click OK, again select here, new rule, format, specific type, of high, click format, fill effect, select red, OK, OK. Then you can select here opens it into high stocks. See, all these stocks are opens it into high. And if you want to search opens it into low, untick, these are the stocks are opens it into low. And you want to update every 1 minute, then do one thing, go to data. Here you can see connections, just click it and go to properties, refresh every, just click this button and 1 minute, just type 1, click OK. Then at every 1 minute after marking proper, it will be keep updating, and whatever stocks it opens it into high and opens it into low, it will be shown here. So it's a very simple. Anybody can make a scanner like this. After market open, every 1 minute it will be keep on updating. Do one thing, you just go to connection and make sure that just click the refresh box and just type here 1 minute. That's it. Hope you like this scanner. If you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasmiller2007@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasmiller.com. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.